Okay, so today we're going to be doing our bell ringer. Our bell ringer is, what liquid is essential to all life? That's right, it's water. So on a hot summer day, if I want a cold drink, what should I do to make my water colder? I can freeze my water to make ice cubes. So ice is still water, but we change its temperature. Water can also be turned into a gas by changing the temperature. This process happens all the time on Earth. It's called the water cycle. Can anybody tell me what a cycle is? It's something that happens over and over again. So today we're going to be talking about how water travels in a cycle. It starts here on Earth, and then it travels back onto the Earth. What are places on Earth that we can find water? Right, we can find water in rivers, lakes, or oceans. Okay, so we're going to start with the ocean. The water is a liquid. And then the sun comes down and heats up the water and turns it into a gas called water vapor. This process is called evaporation. As the gas travels through the atmosphere, it begins to cool. It mixes with dust particles and turns back into a liquid. This is what makes clouds. It's called condensation. Another way water can travel from Earth into the atmosphere is called transpiration. This is when water changes from a liquid to a vapor again, but it's absorbed from plants. So we're going to be talking about the clouds again. The cloud is like a sponge. It absorbs the water. What happens to a sponge when it keeps absorbing? That's right, it begins to drip water. This happens to clouds too. And this is also known as rain or snow. It is called precipitation. This is when the water returns to the Earth's atmosphere, and then we start the water cycle over and over again. So now we're going to be learn a song about the water cycle to help you guys better understand everything that happens.
The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and
what that is. I'm gonna put you into groups, and each of you guys are gonna have a different stage of the water cycle, and you guys are gonna make a poster for it. So someone's gonna get evaporation, another person's gonna get precipitation, another group's gonna get condensation, and the final group is gonna get transpiration.